Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why I'm expecting a massive breakout to the upper side in the next coming hours and maybe days. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above support at around the $0.2295 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And Fantom has also given us a massive breakout to the upper side above this descending trend line that I also shared in my previous videos, where you can now see that Fantom has now given us a breakout to the upper side and also given us a retest of that descending trend line. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we can see a reaction of this and start gearing up impulsively, get above the $0.27 mark and break above the $0.27 mark. In the next coming days, we can easily see Fantom get above the $0.3 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. We also have a very nice chart pattern that has been in formation here on the charts that can also give us the massive breakout to the upper side. And the chart pattern is a double bottom, having our common low at around the $0.2295 mark, where you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw the massive breakdown into that key area of support. We found support and then we saw that bounce to the upper side, giving us a high at around the $0.33 mark before we started another breakdown back into that key area of support, giving us the second low. And there are high chances that in case we continue gearing up to the upper side in the next coming hours and see a break above the $0.27 mark, that will be increasing the chances of breaking above the $0.3 mark, also break above the neckline of the chart pattern, and then from that point we can easily see Fantom give us the massive breakout out of our double bottom, whose minimum target areas lies at around the $0.43 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do on the long term. That is once we see the breakout to the upper side. And for the short term breakout targets, the next areas that I'm keeping my eyes on is at around the $0.27 mark. Zooming out on the charts to also give you my long term Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after seeing our December lows down here, we picked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days or maybe months we can see a massive breakout to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, where I will be expecting Fantom to give us a break above the $1 mark. And before all that plays out, we need to see a number of confirmations here on the charts. And the first confirmation is a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side, followed by an ABC corrective structure before we break above significant areas of resistances and continue gearing up. And the moment we are able to see such a movement on the charts, then that is enough confirmation that you are now getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross here on the 4-hour MACD, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.